getting a cybersecurity career. Yet despite all of these difficulties, I still pursue the subject and have a career in this industry.
Imagine this scenario. You're standing at the crossroads of your cybersecurity journey, and you have to choose between being an analyst, a hacker, or an architect. Which path should you take? Which one suits your skills and aspirations? Today, we've got an electrifying topic to discuss. Which cybersecurity specialization is best? We're going to unravel the mystery and guide you through this thrilling decision-making process. So, stick around to find out. The cybersecurity landscape. Now, before we dive deeper into these exciting specializations, let's take a moment to grasp the full scope of the cybersecurity landscape. Consider this, in 2020 alone, there were over 155.8 million records exposed due to data breaches. That's more than 4 times the population of New York City. It's clear that the world needs skilled cybersecurity professionals now more than ever. But what exactly is at stake? Think about the vast amounts of personal data stored online, from your financial records to your health information. Your digital life is a treasure trove for cybercriminals, and it's the job of cybersecurity experts to protect it. The consequences of a breach can be devastating, from financial loss to reputational damage. However, cybersecurity isn't just about defense. It's also about innovation. The field is constantly evolving, with experts pioneering new techniques and technologies to outsmart cyber threats. It's a thrilling battle between those who seek to protect and those who seek to breach, and you have the chance to be on the front lines. The cybersecurity analyst. As a cybersecurity analyst, you'll be tasked with a multitude of responsibilities. Let's explore some scenarios to give you a glimpse of what your daily work could look like. Imagine your company's firewall logs show an unusual spike in traffic from an unknown IP address. It's your job to investigate this anomaly, determine if it's a potential threat, and take action to block it. Or perhaps you receive an alert indicating a breach in the company's email system. You'll need to dive into the incident, analyze how the breach occurred, and recommend steps to prevent similar incidents in the future. Your analytical skills will be your greatest asset. But it's not all about reacting to incidents. Proactive measures are equally important. In another scenario, you might be responsible for conducting security assessments of the company's systems. You'll be searching for vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercriminals and devising strategies to patch them up before any harm is done. The ethical hacker. Alright, let's explore the thrilling world of ethical hacking in more depth. As an ethical hacker, your job is to embrace the dark side to protect the light side of the digital universe. Imagine yourself in scenarios like this. Picture a financial institution gearing up for a major online banking launch. They've invested millions in their security systems, but they want to ensure their defenses are ironclad. Here's where you come in as an ethical hacker. Your mission is to simulate a full-scale cyber attack, attempting to breach their security measures and expose vulnerabilities. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. Or consider a scenario where a government agency suspects their systems might have been infiltrated by cybercriminals. Your role as an ethical hacker is to conduct a thorough forensic investigation. You'll sift through mountains of data, analyze code, and piece together the puzzle of how the breach occurred. Your findings will help the agency strengthen its defenses and potentially catch the culprits. The cybersecurity architect. Alright, let's venture further into the captivating world of cybersecurity architects. As a cybersecurity architect, your role is like that of an expert chess player. You're thinking several moves ahead to outwit cybercriminals, and you're responsible for crafting security strategies that stand the test of time. Picture this scenario. A multinational corporation is planning to migrate its entire infrastructure to the cloud. Your role as a cybersecurity architect is to lead this transformation securely. You'll design a comprehensive security framework, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected during and after the migration. It's like orchestrating a symphony of security measures. Or imagine a scenario where a healthcare organization is launching a new telemedicine platform. As a cybersecurity architect, your task is to create a secure environment that complies with stringent healthcare regulations. You'll need to think about data encryption, access control, and resilience to cyber attacks, all while ensuring a seamless patient experience. Skills? and training. So, now that we've explored the exciting roles of analyst, ethical hacker, and architect, let's delve deeper into the skills and training needed for each specialization. This will help you make a well-informed decision about which path aligns best with your interests and abilities. If you're leaning towards becoming a cybersecurity analyst, you'll want to sharpen your analytical skills. You'll be poring over logs, identifying patterns, and uncovering vulnerabilities. Attention to detail and the ability to connect the dots will be your greatest assets. On the other hand, if you're drawn to ethical hacking, prepare for a journey of continuous learning. It's all about staying ahead of the curve when it comes to hacking techniques and security measures. You'll need to be resourceful, adaptable, and eager to explore the latest hacking tools and exploits. Now, for those eyeing the role of a cybersecurity architect, it's crucial to cultivate your strategic thinking. You'll be orchestrating comprehensive security strategies, and that requires a big-picture perspective. Project management skills are also invaluable, as you'll be overseeing complex security projects. In terms of education, most analysts start with a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, computer science, or a related field. Ethical hackers often follow a similar path, focusing on hands-on experience and certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, and Offensive Security Certified Professional. Cybersecurity architects often pursue advanced degrees like a master's in cybersecurity or information security management. Additionally, certifications like Certified Information Systems, Security Professional, and Certified Information Security Manager can boost your credentials and expertise. Regardless of your chosen specialization, practical experience is paramount. Internships, entry-level positions, and participating in Capture, the flag competitions can provide hands-on exposure to the cybersecurity field. The future of cybersecurity. That's right. The future of cybersecurity is nothing short of thrilling. As technology continues to advance, so do the tactics of cybercriminals. This means that cybersecurity professionals will play an increasingly pivotal role in safeguarding our digital world. Here are a few trends to keep an eye on as you consider your cybersecurity career path. 1. Artificial intelligence-powered threat detection. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to develop advanced threat detection systems that can identify and respond to cyber threats in real time. 2. IoT security. With the proliferation of Internet of Things or IoT devices, securing these interconnected devices will be a growing challenge, offering exciting opportunities for security experts. 3. Cloud security. As more organizations migrate to cloud environments, the need for robust cloud security solutions and expertise will soar. 4. Zero trust architecture. The concept of zero trust, which assumes no trust within or outside a network, will become a cornerstone of cybersecurity strategy. 5. Data privacy and compliance. Evolving data privacy regulations will require organizations to invest in data protection measures, creating a demand for experts in compliance and privacy. Whether you choose to become an analyst, an ethical hacker, or a cybersecurity architect, you'll be at the forefront of tackling these challenges and shaping the future of cybersecurity. Your skills and expertise will continue to be highly sought after. So, in conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to which cybersecurity specialization is the best. It ultimately depends on your interests, skills, and career goals. The most important thing is that you're contributing to making the digital world a safer place. If you found this video informative, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.